This is the emergency alert system broadcasting the Beyblade Fanatic WXEAS channel. This video contains valid emergency alert tones, as the creator of this is not responsible for any of these tones. All EAS mocks are fake, and for the ones that I make are for entertainment purposes only. And another thing, do not steal Beyblade's videos, as he will give you a copyright strike without a warning. All songs and sound effects don't belong to him. All music and sound effects belong to their owners. And one more thing, please don't be an idiot and play these tones in the air, as it will cause massive panic and confusion. But anyways, go grab a snack and enjoy the video. You are listening to 95.7 The Game, serving the San Francisco area. I am Paul Dickinson, and we're here to give you some morning news. The weather for today is going to be cloudy throughout the day, and it will start to get more rainy throughout the day. And now to the top story. A dragon-like creature was spotted flying across the city of San Francisco. It is unknown what this creature is, and it is unknown if it's hostile or not. But as a precaution, all residents in the city of San Francisco must stay indoors at this time. If you see the creature, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. That's all for now from 95.7 The Game. I'm Paul Dickinson, signing off. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The creature that has been flying across San Francisco has been identified as Charizard from Pokemon. This Charizard is extremely dangerous and should not be approached. It has been reported that Charizard has been spawning Pokemon to attack people. It has been confirmed that these Pokemon are Charizards, Charmanders, Charmeleons, Pikachus, Eevees, Jolteons, Golducks, Psyducks, etc. All residents in the San Francisco area must stay indoors and do not approach these Pokemon. This Pokemon can kill you. If a Pokemon has attempted to break into your home, use all means to defend yourself with. This includes lethal force. If you don't have a weapon, try your best to get outside of the house immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. This is a civil danger warning. All stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency alert. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will be on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is 95. We will continue to serve the San Francisco area. If you're not in this local area, tune into stations that are serving news in your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the San Francisco area. Do not use the telephones. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed. situation.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures of the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We have interrupted irregular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast or cable systems should transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is NNMM. We will continue to serve the New Jersey area. If you're not in this local area, tune now to a station providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New Jersey area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line has been kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test.
Charizard has now been given the ability to transform all of his Pokemon into Mewtwo's, and all the Mewtwo's are destroying people in their path. All residents in the United States must shelter in place at this time. Take food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, first aid kit, fully charged cell phones, phone chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with you and your family in your shelter to last you for the duration of this emergency. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Clockman Crab. Miss me? What they show up? I am not leaving my best friends behind. You don't stand a chance against our fleet. That's crazy. One small